Are you looking for the best sewing machine under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machine under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Brothers CS6000i Sewing Machine. Are you searching for a computerized sewing machine at a reasonable price? Are you looking for a sewing machine that's easy to use yet will finish the task with some of the best stunning results every time? It's time to get a Brothers CS6000i computerized sewing and quilting machine that's a features-rich unit at an affordable price. Moreover, it's a popular model of a trusted brand for a long time, equally useful for newbies and experienced sewers. In fact, CS6000i is the best sewing machine for under $200. Brothers CS6000 is a versatile sewing machine with 60 unique built-in stitches and 7 styles of one-step buttonholes choices for you. Furthermore, the maximum stitch length is 5 mm, and the width is 7 mm. If you are in a sewing business, you would highly prefer a sewing machine that sews at high sewing speed because they say time is money. Brothers CS6000i offers a sewing speed of 850 SPM. Moreover, you can adjust the speed according to your project's needs. Furthermore, you won't have to be bothered about changing how tight the thread is since it can adjust itself if the thread is too loose. At number 2, Brothers CS5055 PRW Sewing Machine. Brothers CS5055 PRW Project Runway is another product in our today's list of best sewing machine under $200. CS5055 PRW Project Runway Sewing Machine is a brilliant computerized sewing machine that is excellent for beginners and intermediate sewists at a reasonable price point. The Brothers CS5055 PRW features a 7-part feed dog that allows for sewing speeds of up to 850 SPM. An automatic needle threader not only saves time, but it also makes the machine more user-friendly for those with poor dexterity. The best part of the CS5055 Project Runway is its vertical spool pin, which helps more consistent feeding, especially for metallic threads. Typically vertical spool pins found only in more expensive stitching machines. The wide table in the CS5055 will provide you with extra space and perfect formal sewing wear and prom dresses. With a weight of only 14.75 pounds, it's a portable sewing machine. The Brothers CS5055 Project Runway Sewing Machine is versatile and could be the last sewing machine you ever purchase. For the price you pay, you are getting a lot of features and power. It is compatible with a lot and will make you feel that you are too. It would make an excellent gift for you as a first or second sewing machine. At number 3, Brother HC1850 Sewing Machine. The Brother HC1850 is an exceptional choice. This sewing and quilting machine is great for quilting, sewing, basic monogramming, and decorative stitching. It's suitable for both beginners and professionals alike. As we mentioned earlier, that Brother HC1850 sewing machine is versatile. It comes with 185 unique built-in stitches, including 130 sewing stitches, 55 alphanumeric stitches, and 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes. So, you can perform any kind of sewing, quilting, and even basic monogramming job with this easy-to-use stitching machine. The best part of the Brother HC1850 its adjustment options. You can adjust the speed according to project requirements. Moreover, stitch length and width is also adjustable. All adjustments are accessible and straightforward. One of the unique features is that it comes with an automatic needle threader. This feature not only saves your time but also protects your finger pricking while sewing. A large LCD display makes it a more convenient sewing machine. At number 4, Singer Tradition 2277 Sewing Machine. Are you looking for a well-built basic mechanical sewing machine at a low budget? Then put Singer Tradition 2277 Sewing Machine at the top of your list. This sewing machine is built to have room for people who are new to the sewing field. It covers all the basic sewing needs like 23 built-in stitches, and one-step automatic buttonhole means if you are a beginner, then it will help you a lot. We call it the best mechanical sewing machine under $200. Singer Tradition 2277 sewing machine falls into the full-size machine class. It provides you more sewing space because it is more comprehensive than a compact sewing machine. The interior of the unit is entirely composed of metal with a reasonably basic appearance. There are only a few dials and a reverse stitch lever on the machine. The best part of the device is that it is no larger than a small microwave, but it still looks strong. An extra high-pressure foot lifter is also included to deal with multiple layers and thicker fabrics. The machine comes with some useful accessories, including buttonhole sewing, all-purpose buttonhole foot, bobbins, extra needles, thread spool caps, etc. Its built-in storage box makes it a more convenient sewing machine. At number 5, Singer Fashion 3333 sewing machine. Singer FashionMate 3333 is an excellent addition to the FashionMate sewing machine line. It is a versatile, sturdy beginners-friendly sewing machine that will not make a hole in your wallet. This sewing machine is easy to set up and operate. It is the best option for the beginner or perhaps someone who does occasional sewing. We include FashionMate 3333 in the best sewing machine under $200 due to its sturdy construction and features. Singer sewing machines always come with high standard features. So is Singer FashionMate 333. It is a well-designed mechanical sewing machine with a heavy-duty metal frame, which gives an excellent and even performance for a long time. It comes with 23 different built-in stitches that are enough for beginners. Its 4-step buttonhole enhances your sewing skills and easy to use. You can select the desired stitch only with a turn of the dial. Another small but handy feature is its automatic needle threader, which saves time and gives you hassle-free needle threading.